Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a collective haul from Ross and Dollar Tree. I was able to find some Valentine goodies, which I haven't seen before during my shopping. So let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, first thing I would like to share, I'm gonna go ahead and do Dollar Tree first, but I haven't seen these at any of the other Dollar Trees that I went to previously, except for I did go to this other one that I don't go as often, and I was able to find these I love you hearts, the little wooden ornament type hearts. It does come in the regular plain wood, pink and red. But yeah, I've never seen this at any of the other ones. So I was glad that I was able to find those at that Dollar Tree. Next one I hauled, which it was not Valentine's, but I did haul these St. Patrick's bubbles. I like it because it's the green and with the St. Patrick. And I don't have a lot of St. Patrick crafting in my stash, so I want to get that just so that I can start getting some stuff. I got those. And another thing I haven't found in the other Dollar Trees, but this one is this Valentine napkins. You do get 4 of them. Look how cute that is. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love. So I got that. And then now I love bags and like gift bags and stuff like that. This is a style I haven't seen in none of the other ones, so I found it there. So I got this one. Look how cute that is. And you do get 30 pieces. So I was able to get my hands on that. And check out this cutie patootie. I love furry babies, which I got 2 of them myself. But yeah, there's another bag that I've never seen. And you also get 30 pieces on that one. Now, I've bought a lot of the stickers from Dollar Tree, but this one I don't have in my stash. So I was able to find this one. Look how cute this is. This is a bear. They got him an ice cream truck. They do got Valentine's heart. The bear couple. That is so cute. Look at that. You got the heart with the wings. Love it. Love, love, love. So I got those ones. And then another one I didn't have in my stash is these heart stickers. Oh wow, look at that. I just love it. Love, love, love. Love is all you need. My soulmate. Oh yeah. And it's 3-dimensional. So I got those. Hopefully no glare. So I was able to get my hands on those 2. And then the last thing I hauled at Dollar Tree are these pencils. Now I've been looking for the pencils. None of the other ones had, well, a lot of the Dollar Trees around here are not. They weren't too stock, or they already been picked. But this store had a lot of the pencils, so I was able to get those. I know Dollar General had one, but not like half the price. I mean, half the pencils. But I was trying to wait until I found it at Dollar Tree because I know they had a big pack. So I got that one. Now from Ross, I was able to find some amazing, amazing stuff. It's not a lot, but I was able to find some goodies. Now the first thing I want to share is this Snackle box. Oh my god, I love these boxes for crafting. What I do, I have bought some from Five Below. They have some pink ones. I should have got more because I love pink. But at Ross, they did have this one there. And what I like to do with these boxes is that on the season of me crafting, I'll put everything that I need inside this box, and then that's what I'll use for my crafting. Instead of taking out all the totes and everything that has all my stuff in there, I put the things that I want to use for that project in one of these, and yeah, and that stays organized, nice and clean. And the best thing is that these little containers inside, they come out. They're just like little bins. But yeah, love this. Love them, love them. So I got those. So that's that one is my fave. That's my fave right there. And then next thing, I was able to find a lot of the Ross that I've gone to has been sold on all their Valentine napkins and cups and stuff, party plates and stuff like that. But this one, it still had a few. So I was able to get this heart one. Look at that. Heart with the bows. And you get 60 of them. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then I was able to find this 50 count one, which is the Lucky in Love, and they're like cards. I'll show you that. And look at that. They were the cherry and a bow. So love, love, love these also. And the last thing I hauled is this coffee cup, which is Lucky Girl. Look how cute that is. It screens my name, Christina, on there. Love, love, love. Look at that. And it's the red inside. So it's nice for my little teas. Love this. So yeah, that is my little collective haul of Valentine's that I wanted to share with you. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.